For the thousands in attendance and the millions watching around the world from the capital city of the United States of America.
My name is Addi, coach of the Black Stars of Ghana. We are only a few days away from playing a crucial match against our rivals Nigeria. We all expect Ghana to qualify for the FIFA World Cup in Qatar 2022. But that won't be easy, as we need to do our best to make it to this tournament. The players, the technical team, and the Ghana Football Association are committed to this task. We really want to make ourselves and the nation proud by qualifying for this upcoming World Cup. Matches between Ghana and Nigeria are always difficult, but we believe in our players, we believe in our strategies, and we believe in the support of all Ghanaians as we go into these two matches. We are Ghana, and we have what it takes to come out victorious. I'm Addi, coach of the Black Stars of Ghana.
They know that there are people still under the rubble, but the problem is that they don't have the equipment necessary to get them out. So he's still missing, and we don't know where he is. Yeah.
And that's just enough hope that the information
is confirming, saying that he has been found and alive and taken to hospital. And 11 hours later, my children had to hear it from the radio saying that they still don't know where he is. And so I know that his agent is there and they are trying their best to find him. So I trust that he will bring me, obviously, the news that I can trust. And he had a very good game on Sunday and he scored his first goal. And and he has been living with his teammates as well, which has already been rescued. That's all I can tell right now. Trying the best, hardworking day and night to rescue everybody. And I just feel for everybody who has, like me and my children, been in the unknown, not knowing if the family is alive or not. And I would just appeal for the Hatay Sport Club and the Turkish authorities and the British government to send out the equipment to get the people out that are still trapped in the rubble, especially for my partner and the father of my children as well. Because they need the equipment to get them out. They can't get that deep without the equipment. So, and the time is running. So, yeah.
Yeah, the time is running.
Yesterday, the Ministry of Foreign Affairs here informed me that they want to confirm that Christian Achu has been found and rescued and sent to a medical center. However, in all the confusion, which is understandable under the circumstances, because as you are rescued, you are put in an ambulance and sent to the nearest hospital. They are not sure yet which particular hospital or health facility he has been sent to. This morning, again, the Ministry of Foreign Affairs has assured me that they are working feverishly to find out which facility he has been sent to or he was sent to, and will get back to me as soon as possible, because I've been on them that I need to go and see him.
All right, and I'll pay Yatanasi Okoman 97.1 Global Sports. Extended edition and I'll pay Yatanasi 57. Akropong say Twumhene ebe bo na prento be kwase ebe bo ba no ya kudie mu nsama etwa gu ewa Ghana ha bebrem ana finso no amanane yatenase yede ni nyina enso no ede bro executive producer Yera Kofi Anton Buffon nana Kofi Okoria German sound na pa solo paradise krobia atsante Ziggy Donzi adwa pokuya omunyina nso no ete kira yede nsem no nyina enso no bro ewo dwumadie no so edin no Kelvin Amponsah Addi ofremi ekinso a meje so na che bibia aye kama ofia na nsema wodo no ana nso no ye ba behwe enso no ofia ha enra anase na woche wie Ghana Premier League matches to do na etumi ekos you be uram ne edi mu nkomo news no menim say what the Black Stars of Ghana finally the Ghana Football Association etime confirm say coach Chris Hilton ono anani onye head coach and fama the senior national team the Black Stars of Ghana and then some abanti Chris Hilton ono anani head coach and the senior national team the Black Stars of Ghana san common nyina ye be rambaranra Ghana Premier League Theatre of Dreams Asante Koroko ekodi ncho against Dreams FC niama nkoye ma Asante Koroko sa game no se be ramu ne edi nkomo ba ku mienu niama ba ku bi ekoso supporters in my entry ni nyina no ye be criticize ni apo supporters na chi niama bi wa entem fata se mo ye ni nyina so ye be di mu enkomo ofiama na nsam ba ku mienu be ba kro bia be tena se ye de akwama ne na fin so no ne ekoso na woche bi ni nyina from amane no ano so no etumi area bantita mu kuchu ko live on Facebook Okoman Radio 97.1 Okoman Radio 97.1 on Facebook obo nse ne no ye daso kama yanso ye di jumedi no enso no etumi brel ewo fia tuko Facebook a Okoman Radio onse ye jiram Facebook YouTube so no ye dem kama ni nyina no Okoman Radio 97.1 Global Sports aropay yanso ye de onse nyina enso no ede abrel ewo jumedi no so krabia atenase mama na kwaba na yakwa manani aba krobia se bia kama
eka oba dia dama bibia ye kama pa ye wa hodin di na che se nyame aye bia mayen dia eso dia sika ntumi ntua ana ne oba dia etumi aye mayen no yete ase na ye won kwa na moje die furusa ne nko ade na seda de nya de be fedi do se papa mu bonimu ye mfa seda emma no ntide koye ne dia nko ye nyina still ye won kwa ne nko ade ye be koso adanase
anope wa fa ho pa we you know
KG trend designers no KG trend designers no Ike do na friend offset omone offset ne yaketwa ntino omo bu edwuma ne pa
wo ma menti wonka ntino wo ma menti wonka na yeah oni awake make what you say do ma menti wonka KG trend ma menti wonka yes KG trend na ma menti wonka na yeah and someone manane
me kama enne Eduarda
yes and Barcelona Villarreal 1-0 Barcelona Villarreal 1 say Man U Masters Villarreal one of Man U Jacob Europa Cup if you want them Dianso ne share 1-0 fantastic goal from Pedro we should play now pa now boy that nemu na you say no so I don't know Man U list boy Leeds United Leeds
oni coach gra
Leeds grand coach Villarreal Dianso so I don't know send someone man anything
no ya be kwa ba na che say ya be yi mu a na ya sha bibia ni wa ya be kan
say
bibia ni wo
the bibia
nzi wo group
ene
bibia nzi
bibia shana Bibi and said Bibi was Chief Justice no soon is account. So former Chief Justice. You go reach everybody.
No answer, I don't know.
I bet you be
no answer, I don't know.
So no one no. Some woman I can't almost see you cool. What teenager and I won't send it here. And this are her pet. I bet teenager I
knew who Mobobia.
I'm woman, I'll catch you on foul. I'm a teenager and I won't say
who Mobobia Mamo. Kowomokono, the Ayedija or Mokwanquano. So one more catch and say, one more catch and say, one more DBS, Crania, Diamajedi.
So when you did Jan Quening and or the Akoye, you know.
Okay.
I want to buy. Young corner.
El Chicharito. Ahí la tiene Torrado. Torrado la juega por abajo, el arquero sale, la tiene Gio, no hay arquero.
Raya Mobi Piachin from Okoman 97 door one a bread to say the amount and some more Yabu Panosono, a creature if your man for cruise, the Babet Tiny for and so any Asher for an Akuffo Corey Ajumai together with Teki and a paradise, a creature in 70 good kratas, so men conquanting chronom for man for cruise and seminal and found better for any Asher for say regional, Danny Tanina, Kansas say no Abayo do vision to new Tino, now Sanso Shanaunya, the clear vivid description of the stories are Jetinina and so at the Eba, other footage in and so a Chigu El pictorial presentation yetinina enso at the air banty and social media handles on the Jumedi and sono egusa a special on Facebook and YouTube. Facebook on Okoman Radio 97.1 Udrua. No way to me like no Pia Shama one more diaspora and sono I get in touch of the show. Jeti air panos on YouTube no Okoman Radio 971. Subscribe it and no pa and when say subscription we written no at the whole red one. Umiaswa na babe black ne nyoman sono etumi akon kana bi piansono etumi I find DJ Zigipi ana ne obwa ono so ehyimu a ogbe dani nyoma ehihye nyoma kama ne djuma de excellent pa ne djuma eso eni esin Kotoku Royals e Ghana Premier League ni mu enti eno so ne kakra eno so efri ho eba ne djuma eso eni papa me amede pa enso medin eye krobia asante e betia tom ni ahwe nsem awoto a eno so etumi ekon kan ye behwe mu enso e wo CAF African Cup of Nations and I say Champions League ayebo and so Africa hanu remua results I would na ana enenu over the weekend and so no etumi etutu dwa honoma ye hwe nim say de ehunsem ni nyina no enso ebetumi ede aba honoma na uni nemu a endrada ukohwemu a unim say weekend no Zamalek enso etumi ejinemu ho etumi ebo game ba kon a wo mo so etumi elusi sa particular game no enso ho ntino uhwemu honoma Horoya FC Horoya, womu free Guinea, womu sheba Simba, womu free Tanzania, womu entumi ensimu aje Esperance de Tunis, enso etumi sheba kon America, enso entumi ensimu aje Petro Atletico, womu free Angola, enso any Kabili of any Algeria 0-0, ano mutumi boy na Mamelodi Sundowns, womu South Africa etumi sheka na ba kuma Al Hilal Omdurman, womu free Sudan, womu so entumi ensimu aje Raja Casablanca, Morocco, womu sheka no enum 5 goals, womu so any Vipers free Uganda, woman to me ensimu aje ana Zamalek on free Egypt, and so to me share kanaba kwan eneno Belouizdad, woman to man shebi ma Belouizdad, and so kwa share me kanaba kwan, woman to me ensimu aje round 2 no say na eneno fixtures out no, and so be to me esi ako America of free Sudan, woman Zamalek and be to me apo sanso na Cotton Sport Garua, woman free Cameroon, woman Mamelodi Sundowns and so on, and be to me apo Kabili of Algeria, woman Wydad Casablanca, woman so no every Morocco ana AS Vita Club, one more son any Petro Atletico, ne betumi dia windam so Al Hilal Omdurman, one more free Sudan, one more Al Ali, one more free Egypt, one more return from FIFA Club World Cup, etumi ekonkan, one more toso and 9, and no man to me and conkan to almost so ba ababe boebremu na Champions League no, and so to me akoso Vipers Uganda, one more Horoya on free Guinea, ne betumi apo Simba from Tanzania, one more so any Raja Casablanca Morocco, and ne betumi apo CR Belouizdad, one more free Algeria, one more Esperance de Tunis, and so any betumi abo round 2 no, so far as our group stages no, and so concern honoma yeti ahunsem ni nyina no, and so at the bana uremu And so over the weekend, when we say FIFA Club World Cup, no, and so to me, to ja honoma, yet a home seminina, and so at the air bar na FIFA Club World Cup, no, third and fourth place, to me, echo so bra na in the Al Ali, and so Lucy by 4-1 as against Flamengo, one every Brazil, and so no, and the Acoso, and so El Honiti Flamengo, and so a place third, and so our FIFA Club World Cup, bra, one we share 4 goals pass ahead, Timwa, you're from Al Ali, one free Egypt. African contingent woman sweko remu our competition no enti sa na tie horma yete awon sem ni nyina eba na grand finale no enso etumi eto dwane between Real Madrid woman free Europe enso any Al Hilal woman free Saudi Arabia Asian part and woman so eba be pimu enso hona at the end of 90 minutes no and also ekwa 5-3 and then said the nyoma no etumi ekwa Vinicius Junior to atena sanso ana Favedi to atena na chese players no do dona Karim Mustafa Benzema returning no ono so eto atene de boa Real Madrid so far wo musu FIFA Club World Cup no wo motumi agene emprenum so 5 times na chese wo no ana wo motumi agene dodo pa enso e wo tournament and say competition mu a wo nso e de air continue chese nyoma na ni kapa ye odwane o Facebook Okoman Radio 97.1 onso be hu se de nyoma no enso esi e ko horma nyoma nso no e kon camp footages no anyhow celebrations ni nyina enso etumi e ko ye no ni nyina enso e ko so kama e horma and also hefe papa onti Real Madrid ana ne womo so joy a womo eje womo samba and so e wo Morocco we na be the second time Madrid nso na ba beje World Club Cup no and so e wo Morocco mamu na che se womo ne de e ba Africa ha pa dia especially Morocco e host dia na che se nyoma nso no e konkan e diama Real Madrid ntino womo so no aba beje 5th time womo so e ko ama nyoma nso no etumi e ko so e diama Real Madrid ma bibia nso no etumi aye kama over the weekend Sanso na ukopiemu ewo Germany ukopiemu enso ewo tima ye frɛ no Comebo ɛhɔ ɛyɛ continent Comebo no ukohwemu enso ewo hɔ no mo a results awodro na etumi ɛkɔ so wɔn under 20 championship no enso etumi etodwa ɛwɔ hɔ no mo a enoma etumi ɛkonkan na ye Brazil wɔn under 20 wɔn nso ɛne Uruguay wɔn under 20 ana etumi de akensi no enso etumi ɛhyehyɛ so ɛwɔ hɔ no mo a enoma nso no etumi ɛkonkan Brazil under 20 no enso etumi ewini tournament no ma enoma nso no etumi ɛkonkan di celebration awodro na uhwemu ɛwɔ social media handles na onso betumi enjoy ama nyoma nso no etumi akonkan kama yete ahosem ni nyina no enso ede eba na ye befremu ewo English Premiership ni mu onse bredu no na ye no ascending order we nu ye be ye descending order this weekend ni ahwe se de nyoma nso no ebetumi akọ enkan bi so peninsu no edware wi ana kire se nso etumi asa Manchester City Ekupiemu ama nyoma etumi akonkan Etihad Sports Stadium no wo mo share kan miensa ama Aston Villa enso etimu baako Leeds United enso etumi etena fie ma Manchester United ekobo wo mo 2 goals o Marcus Rashford etumi ebogo ana Brighton friend Garnacho young sensation enso etumi ebogo ma nyoma so no etumi ekonkan AFC Bournemouth enso ehodi ene Newcastle United 2-1 na chese Newcastle United wo mo ne Arsenal nyina wo mo gane dum obia 2 matches wo mo nya win ewo ho na chese oja no edum se to enti yanso yampepre na yambra na nyoma nkonkan ukopiemu Emirates Stadium Arsenal the Gunners ehye kan baako Brentford nso no etumi ehye baako ama nyoma nso no entumi anko enkan yewie no Arsenal the Gunners eye nyoma bia se referee wiayen wo ma ba ye te se minkrofo ya wo mo nso ewo soro wo Bet Power Premier League ni mo Ghana ha no wo mo si referee wia wo mo offside goal pa ana Ivan Toney enso etumi ehye de cancel Leandro Trossard ne first goal enso edema Arsenal no enso hɔ no nsɛm kakra efi Arsenal the Gunners nso no aso ye enso edi eba uhwemu a Crystal Palace ehye baako Brighton and Hove Albion enso etumi ehye baako Tomkins go ana Brighton friend son match enso etumi etika no de ma bibia nso no etumi ekonkan Leicester City working power wɔn hyɛ ka no 9 the return of Antonio Conte obaye no enye team ni nye obaye no wabese team no kra openi ni baye no Tottenham Hotspur ehye first goal Abrante friend no Bentancur Rodrigo etumi enya first goal ansa na Nemplus Mendy etika no James Maddison edi second goal kan Kelechi Iheanacho edi ba konso episo mane ye miensa na efi Harvey Barnes ono nso still victory no emphatically edi ma Leicester City nso no ewo King Power Sport Stadium uremu London Sports Stadium West Ham United ehye kan ba kon Chelsea enso ehye ba kon Abrante friend no Joao Felix ehye first goal de ma Chelsea ana efe de Emerson Royal Chelsea former player enso enya a cancel goal no enso de ma West Ham United ma Newman so no etumi konkan standing no say netie Arsenal having played 21 matches no womo ekrama no 51 ana efe no Manchester City 22 matches played womo so no 48 points Manchester United 23 games played so far womo ekutamba no 46 points ana Newcastle United 22 matches played womo ekuta 41 points and also no kakra e free wo eba relegations no say netie womo edimu no Everton enso 8 mu enso ewo ho 18 position 18 points Bournemouth 18 points and no so ekuta 19 position and Southampton the Saints enso 20th position womo na every cra 15 points and womo so ekuta ewo ma Newman so no etumi konkan na Arsenal game a womo so etumi boy na papa your friend Mikel Arteta enso eden komo kakra enso etumi etu gwanti sama Mikel Arteta enso ede etu gwa ewo ma Newman so no etumi ekọ enkan.
I don't know, probably they will give an explanation later on in the week, but today we haven't got any. But looking at the images, and you have to apply certain principles in defending, and you do that by sticking to the rules. And suddenly you apply different rules, and you have to change your principles. So tell us before, because then you don't hide the line in that height, because then obviously you're always going to have an advantage if you get blocked. Second one, I don't know, because you have to see the line the way they see with the camera. I don't know. We are not there, but it's irrelevant. It's gone.
Will you bring it up with the?
Yeah, we always assess the game with them, and we give our views and our points. But it's late, too late.
Winning sema Mikel Arteta so Arsenal manager the two guy FA game etumi so Graham Potter ana nei ono so ene dem edema Chelsea ono so the same kakra to go abra wo musanko PM London Stadium a enioma entumi enkon kan ye wie January transfer window 3 matches 3 draws and opening na sanso abo na che say 3 wins out of 13 games in opening no enso eduma na che say enioma enkon kan ordinary the same enso ejaye.
I just said from a step forward, but from a performance perspective, I thought it was. And you can see the potential of the team, I thought, today. But you can also see where the work is, which is getting Reece James up to speed, which is getting Ben Chilwell up to speed, which is getting Ruben Loftus-Cheek up to speed, which is getting Wesley Fofana up to speed, which is getting N'Golo Kante up to speed, which is adapting Mudryk into the Premier League, which is adapting Madueke into the Premier League, which is adapting Benmar Badashil into the Premier League, which is adapting João Felix into the Premier League. That's just how it is. That's just how I see it, and I'm just being honest to say how it is. But I completely understand that people are frustrated if you don't win. Absolutely.
Eni sema a papa your friend Graham Potter Addi to go could be sign so penny players ipa ma she first go no man to me nkonkan no so players ne dodo na uhwemu a be 5 to 6 players am start wo mu nyina efe na wo mabaje nu ya enti wo nso adapt acclimatize with the no environment a wo mababe piemu enso e England no nti sani wo ma ni nyina ka wanya dia results no ebetumi abantempa so nti wo mu nya patience and farmer this crop of players wo mu so etumi ababe piemu e team no na nei wafa rule register or market Abranti Asimesi is adapting. Asimesi is adapting. Nature solo adaptia na AK so no adapting a new man so no konkan ne nsem kakra Graham Potter and so to me dia to go ye ho nsem ni nyina no and so e de eba e wo hono na enho no and so ene nsem me epiemu remu e wo La Liga Santander games a wo drobia and so to me e so e ho na FC Barcelona wo mugusu a emphatic run still 21 games one way to me concede 7 goals to pair any team you're from FC Barcelona one must to me concede 43 goals and I'm penny for so no to me ashe honandra victory one must to me ekonyan no na je say enyoma e konkan pa edema openia enu your friend Xavi Hernandez no so kan sem kakra edi to go fa runner one way to me nya so far e wo season ni mu.
There are 18 matches left, now 17. And there's a whole world yet to be played. We are in a very good line of results. There are things that we can improve, but I think our performance is quite good, and we work together because these matches are difficult, and this proves that the team is working fine.
Yes, Bibia Konka 17 matches are one boy to me upon no more season, no, as say one boy to me win La Liga 100 matches we no more and a bit to me at your name, some Akropong-Akuapem, so no, to me Eddie Etuganimum so far, and dear, and ya do be to me deny the fact to say one more Martin Bono, so any Konka papa, and Manchester United, the Mountain team, na team Wino, Amukakusiano, and what in pa, and on Akropong-Akuapem, to me the 2 1 Kakram, the Macacao, Amanoma, Konka into La Liga table, net here. Real Madrid have a book game. One more outstanding game back one. One more bet to me about Adrift FC Barcelona. One more to me about 21 games, 56 points. And I'm penny for you to me. Real Madrid to me 20 games, one more Equita 45 points. And so Real Sociedad. And so about 20 games one more so Equita Ambano 39. And Atletico de Madrid 21 games, one more Kitambano 38. And on the crowd Mukita relegation zone here. Valencia 20 points. And one more 18 position, 19 position. Hitafe 19 points na womukuta na Elche womu na area kra utumi bo 20 good matches na 9 points na chese nuoma konkan enuoma konkan enye se konkan konkan edema womu aha na bremo akwan me dia mo na nsem tew aye bopo ano ede ebetan no ebetumi edi esimi jemu diama AK na fe dwumedi awodo na ye de atoa so from now to 12 o'clock noon na ya sorry dwumedi no so nti eguso a etem Okoman Global Sports morning edition and yeguso ayede ba mitemu etiama AK na yato aso.
All right, entino Krobia and so anona manansem anonso no etimi eriaba unim sere English Premier League weekend matches no eko so Manchester United bugumsa Marcus Rashford hey ke buguma so onshia is it Krobia Barcelona defense line one send from is from back Krobia unwe back in here hwe. And then Barcelona defense and back and from Balde, Araujo, Christiansen, and I feel so Branton the Kunde back. That's a general solid.
Yendi Nyensiamo. Why? Yebesiamo next season the Champions League na yen to me Bobby into money the Nyensiamo one Ebesiamo no catch it home.
Let me catch on. Okay.
Into no back.
Barcelona defense na back. Balde, Araujo, Christiansen, and I feel so Kunde. That's a back. You want to see? Hey, Barcelona and where they say, hey, oh, that was a where day. 21 matches. You consider just
7 goals.
You back.
Having scored 43 goals.
Yes. I shall really a match be actually 2 goals. You know, Manchester United and Yadom. Mama Sula Kwaba na keke so ama na kwaba na mana nsem kakra o yedi nkomotew na ewi abeto aso fie ni de nsem bebere na and coach Chris Hilton no head coach and the Black Stars of Ghana confirmed. Is the areas that I'm just some of Kenya and is a womb papa ni nyere be hwe so that be fine
eke about the adum bia boko
we had them man you bia come United Rashford na say go suna
tell me adwuma
was no no shi antino
I saw league ni mu bintu shi na so shan
okay
tell us no ball league ni bi
na ayi no about Champions League ni bi Rashford no
also about Champions League I saw my team munti
okay and one qualified okay
Barcelona so omo mu shishe goals omo mu back no so omo so bo Champions League
yeah back in here Rashford our man you be CC yeah back even a Christiansen about it you try young
Christiansen one Champions League maybe
no form here na Boy Garcia
sa na Satan na Rashford no nya form
CCS no nya form here so Zinia Bibia come Zinia keke
Bibia come
you see a che
Wednesday Abrabon nti undanhia baby bracer one way shan back
okay make sure about United and Chelsea
for sure
United until I make a master say na o hwe me
o is that you know team be ni hobium
okay any mum say na mum kwa ntino
we be only any level
any mum say who Manchester United team be ni hobium any mum
it's the best team you can get
our England
not even okay in England because if I mean there is all due respect I respect Real Madrid as the biggest club in the world that one I don't think there is any club who surpass them but when it comes to England it is Man U and what that team forget Liverpool
Liverpool say yeah, Gakpo no.
Chelsea and Arsenal and anyone can they are just followers.
Monkey play by sizes.
It is Man U and the rest.
In the class.
Man U and the rest.
Oh, England.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me say about Europe. But Barcelona or
the Barca cry more than Manchester. No, not in any way. Not in any way. No.
AC Milan. Can you say AC Milan?
Yes. Not in any way. Not in any way. Not in any way. Not in any way.
United in you.
Na mo mu park high say e bonyu mo na mo bonye ska na mo fa.
Okay, yanko ye ni mo bia na adwenkyere.
Basa.
Ghana akura.
Basa. No. Eyam ofe na man you. We have the structures, we have history.
Europe do kwa.
Na say one million crowd ma high.
One
million crowd.
Oh, yeah, high, but not when you are in difficulty. More than the night it was too clear. Say mo watch them one.
But any sense na ya say agent.
Akaya across was your crack kan home am crack kan where high kan.
Back.
Okay, more game there no be justify.
That's the way out. That's the way out.
That level.
And the business baby bro.
So mama 5 minutes per hour and 5 minutes per hour. We Abeka United as 5 minutes per hour and so United. Oh, but no ka 4 minutes oh.
I'm be sha say.
And some of them in cast men sha say just like
4 minutes. I mean cheer for ni ahefo a. Okoman radio. And then no pay. And Chaya and Abranta de LeBron James. All-time leading scorer or NBA with 38,390. Because points are what to me accumulated. NBA na papa ni din so a former player Karim Abdul-Jabbar, former player at the Los Angeles. Nana that record nekita no 38,387. And I know to me Ashe and LeBron James Ebesen. James that record when or performing at the Los Angeles. But Timunanka sana woman this is your performance unko ye. So we share table no so baby omoda our Western Conference table no so 15 teams and that zone honum. We share Los Angeles Lakers. Omo performance kita omo modern mo eba na NBA mu a se na omo tumi perform no se we call league table no so a omo that 13th omo points a kita omo no and shada in concancer modern shada in this 456 points and kita Los Angeles and anko bi anim say both season say we NBA mu de anka ye be hu say Los Angeles kita LeBron James a all settle record records no thank team no so but this time there James record no and Los Angeles enko ye 13th position 2 teams per and the door ma say some man hwe here ye be wie no normal from and near man said enko ye mfema this time around upon LeBron James performance or than a dinina ba footballer Barcelona midfielders mienu Gavi and Pedri at the goal scoring no aka ball no mo and can you nim say midfielders perform here adwuma mo ya na say obeje ball obema pass e dey ma attacker no so attacker no nko hye but now modern football no midfielders na hye goals and wo hwe Pedri and the Gavi performance omo dey ma Barca successor omo ye nyina no 2 players no enso e ka ho bie omo modern mo ya de a e konkan ye ko league ni mu a Pedri ekita almost 6 goals this season at the Barcelona or your midfielder and baby a wo no so ye nka say or your supportive striker and ya de or your offensive midfield central midfield wo and obo and anka ye nim say na adwuma de onje ball normal pass but goals no ma san the account ball now omo ebo no nti opponent bia o ba be share Barcelona Lewandowski wo ho de strikers na aka no wo ho Barcelona kita wingers are omu ball ne ball enu go ne share Osman Dembele Rafinha but adwuma saa players mienu we be ye no Osman Dembele Rafinha Lewandowski no mo de no emma eno wo koshi o mo na yo wa adwen se eye Lewandowski ene Rafinha nom ena omo be ha adwen a uye coach a mount strategy tactics bi a udi be Gavi any Pedri the every game and this how they are club will be a be share Barcelona no some players we enyo mu dey a ebe den e dey man so be jiro mo enim
so who to take hack for man a futu
ebe den so we betumi agina Barcelona enim because Barca modern mo mu bo nyida no so Lewandowski anhye so Osman Dembele anhye Rafinha anhye Ansman Fati nom anhye goals no a ubenya Pedri a ye be wie game no so one goal kra na be pie mu a on na ebe shadama Barca
okay
and our central midfielder but outside the goal no share no aka adwuma no say wo players be say ya coach 80% of our adwuma ne de ekodeda ni aka 20% na aka no and say one kasa so obema formation ne tactics a ebetumi abo club no na koye so ye mo sa players ni mienu enso aba so minwie wo Marcus Rashford coach Erik ten Hag eba you know Rashford wo did that and Louis van Gaal and they discover Rashford our United team name that year or performing year at Manchester United but after Louis van Gaal no now performance at Rashford the United team no na enkosa ebiem didimu ana Erik ten Hag aba ten Hag ba ye no obi ni musanka Ronaldo na ebe abelidi United team no because no better Cristiano Ronaldo and no here before obeba no na Ronaldo and our year Man United top scorer last season 18 goals on Oshadima United our league nim enti no obi ni musanka ono na ebe abelidi but coach Erik ten Hag hu say Marcus Rashford the abrantie bi a niyama pe bi woni mu a obetumi aboa no na aboa club no enenen ye kwa league table no so a e wo go kin charter okita 12 goals at Manchester United so who compare the goals a wa share this season to last season just 4 goals per our league no the Man United team no last 2 seasons who he goals our the Man United the whole season no our league no on my 11 goals but they say you have almost 22 matches our league name Rashford ekita 12 goals I will bet to me asen akọ nanim asen ahye more e kire good coach Erik ten Hag coach bia wo ba enye se team no be bod ne ho modern nko ahye goals no nko ene e be ka so wo coach player bi na wo be to no player bi a wo de ne ba team no no e die na wo san de kan player no ho ene ne ade a ma say ye kasa Graham Potter ni o man shut down enko ye enfema no Chelsea ne ye du ba bi a ye mu bi say oye coach ni performance no wo fam because we players ekita Chelsea e die na Graham Potter san de kan players no she make players no performance no Messi Mount or de pe money ko fam Aubameyang money e ba fam Raheem Sterling e ba fam omo Akuffo omo de aba no e die na osan de kan ho but I read hand by no wa besie say Rashford amene week in week out or she go said Manchester United and so koso say ya obekoso anso your history I'm making history at the Man United club yam bona baso for that performance opportunity at the Man United anye bia sanko ya for Man United and one go there obenya the Man club no and o ya de e team nim.
Okay, Entino Pasolo Paradise, Nidia, our manane, and so I know, Meko, Kiki, Ona, maybe Sabeka United, Sanga, over the weekend, Chelsea, still na draw, Enzo, draw, Felix, draw, still na Graham Potter, still, that's who could Senya the Apostle, Obejam, Bolin Sunan would dinner, cra, Tino, and Yadia Baba, maybe a senior vessel of the Fano. I want to remember Simabe, Menum, now, come on, and some caca.
Oh, okay. Me that's it. Me chia it's for you so. Me dey make more on the English Premiership because this year I just shining in a area say football no bonum. Arsenal and omo lead the table na 2 matches in a row no. Omo drop 5 points. Emma City so drop 3 points. Ben run omo to share 3-1. Omo close gap no. Now things look very dangerous for Arsenal. You almost someone for league in there. Omo ya that because you can say league ni book sana ho and you know. And but say you second round him. And you could see say Everton and now all that form it was just in the relegation zone of Arsenal. And runs only Brentford there Saturday only Brentford there sample 1-1. And when drop points pan into say one share here. So one share here there league no City best have Virginia there. City best have Virginia there because City no Godilla the chance say yeah cap that baby next Okoffa. Now obet me afa. I think things look very dangerous for us now. Although more outstanding match be to play, and so much we match in there, they will stretch the way to 6 points. But for now, there, lead no, you're cutting it short to 3. Now talking about City, so they have not been consistent because matches go always expect somebody winning no easily. Ubonoma combat draw, Ubonoma lose. Into there's inconsistency in the City attack. I say Man U, and the Man U win your champion draw. On our lose. Your team in the year set here. In fact, we are not ready for league. You can't see a team in the league there, boy, because we open the league. You must be consistent in your matches. We win 3, 4, 5 matches in a row. No drop it back on. No win 5. Right? That is a team of person winning match, winning league. And your team our board draw and our channel lose and we win. No. And no doesn't speak all of us. Yeah, number 4. Women fellowship for no so. Amakoto players so we are seeing nyina and so still nyama nko ye mo se players no me hu player papa mbeto na makoto players bia keke omo wura market ma player bia mo hu bia omo se ekoto omato players so we are seeing nyina and so mo Manchester West Ham and me sumo mo because they have a long way to go. Now Port and so to me Jelly Boys seeing them about together no what me formidable team to continue the Champions League. But let me tell you something. One way I'm going to say, I feel Chelsea can win the Champions League, although I'm not a Chelsea fan. No. Anytime anyone call you my Chelsea, be a coach, as a team, that is when they win the Champions League. And it has been so in that there are 2 Champions League fan. And I feel I have a feeling they can win the Champions League. We shouldn't write them off at all. Maybe a league no money idea, but Chelsea can win the Champions League. Because of record if anything a D on 2 Champions League no fighting in I feel say waiting me win Champions League. Now coming to if anything Spain. What's your points now? Yes, Barcelona they are on form. Omo ya there. Omo share teams in Madrid and so omo ya consistent and omo winning or omo winning. But Barca form to me, and she done so we be can I say extraordinary be just say team and to me show. Maybe to me say some of the teams are not getting things right, and Rentina Barca, I saw winning. But on Thursday, trust me, man, you remember who say winning spree no more, and it was just a mere week because right now, Sir Pedro and Gavi, I watched them at the World Cup. I watched them at the World Cup. Look, their performance was just below way. For now, maybe they are on form, they are playing, but they are not exceptionally good players. Like I say, without them, with them in your midfield, they will be a worrisome team. Me, I trust say, come Thursday, Europa, Man U will upset Barcelona on Thursday. Trust me.
And to Ada, and I we see we and I won't send it to Pedri, Gavi.
But you saw them at the World Cup. You saw them.
Man, you play this year one.
Oh, man, you
play this year Pedri and Gavi World Cup.
No, I don't think so because
it was Japan. Japan ne a friend Costa Rica.
Why would they use Spain film?
It was Morocco.
Morocco. Yes.
Man, you play beyond Morocco.
No.
But you see, Sabo is 2-0.
That's some good stage matches. Apart from some winning first match, like that huge match.
National team performance is different from club.
I think there's a club was source and national team.
Yes.
It will be share club. Roma United kakra.
Ti asam na America ni United surasam. But me ya as me ya adwuma as analyst.
One go no.
Me ya adwuma as analyst.
Me just say one go.
Ti me amechele no, ti me. Me ya adwuma as analyst.
Now Pedro go no.
Uti me a.
Sa analyst na me bisa say who analyze go na.
Enti asam na me ka kire keke no. I know na me kire say on the World Cup performance and I judge Pedri and Gavi.
No, also you saw them at the World Cup.
No. I am not judging them per the World Cup performance. Look, those two boys, to me, they're overhyped.
Really?
They're overhyped, yeah.
Pedri Gavi.
Compared to Bayern Munich boy in the friends. Musiala.
That's a Musiala say who no work. Also qualify out of the group.
Now, Pedri, Gavi, they are good boys. They are young boys. Look, they will cause we, but for now they are not above we. No. Because coming to the midfield, Casemiro, Bruno,
McTominay or Fred
no,
Sabitzer.
Very good.
Okay.
Yes. Almost Sabitzer no we are new. But look, they have command over the midfield.
Okay.
England.
Okay. Gavi. These two boys, Golden Boy of the Year.
This Barcelona team is
Golden Boy of the Year. Pedri. Transfer by Gavi. And now we say Gavi was not 30. I bet 6. Xavi. We was 16 and I bet 8 in the start. You know.
Form more form.
That's a Casemiro
you can't take anything away from.
So if you speak Madrid nearby.
Yeah. Okay.
No.
I'm all for my Rashford was all for.
Yes. Nipa 2 or form near back.
Oh, no worry.
Boy, my catcher was so
body agroni firm. Nina.
Self form never been yana overborn. And then I said,
agroni firm.
And young can became without but to green Akofan. And no Christians
Thursday we do any
two quiz and channel each quiz a film.
Christian is on so EPN the ball Liga. Sanya Casemiro feel Liga.
Around the butcher.
United Martinez and Munna Mobin, and so your problem.
More problem. I'm an answer kakra ono university na yemfa fisem from Ghana Premier League over the weekend matches no etumi ekọ so our bet power Premier League no other reactions of the coaches and the players no and so no ho na yemfa wonsem from Brantino eba na fin so no Ghana Premier League wonsem area ba.
This is our own, let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. I say this is our own, let's cherish our own. Division 1 League is back again. This is our own, let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League.
Awusia ya twaso at the FA Salmon so to me the amount Ghana Premier League match day 17 over the weekend. Games ahuro no enso ya de etumi atwagu ya enye fedi agro na ya mobile results no so enso efema no pan edi kan ball so de ma de na mom e bia na wo want ni ye enti yensan so enti mu biem enfema na hu senia eno so etie kumasa asantoko ko ebedi entwo ewo daw ha no mo ha to folk e wini ye bechem e draw 0-0 to Aduana Stars Boboko no Accra to folk Echibrekum Chelsea Eshom Ekanop miensan omutimu e baako sanso na Dreams FC Eshe Kotoko Ekamienu Kotoko nso entumi antikim Fesa Eche RTU Eshe no 1-0 Tamale Cities enemy Diamakote ye 0-0 Samates enso Eshe Kanimienu di tia Legon Cities omutie mu e baako enso Atreman enso Eshe mienu Ema Great Olympics enso etimu e baako Karela United Eshe mienu Ema Kotoku Royals enso etimu e baako nyame adom ene ewa Accra Sports Stadium 3 p.m. Accra Lions ebetena fie ni bibia ni Go Stars enso de bebo ani table no say na tie Aduana Stars edikan 32 points ena ekito omo Heart of Folk tosumienu 28 points. Kotoko abetoso miensa 27 points. Bechem toso enine 27. Bibianu Gold Stars. Enso etoso enum over 26. Accra Lions etoso insia onuso 26. Ombebo mo matches na ene. Inti ni obe wini bia no. Oba be sign Kotoko. Enso ho akonanim na Kotoko beti abafam. Enso we league table no. Enso media matoso enso ewo 24 points. RTU etoso enwatwe 24 points. Dreams abetoso enkron omo 23 points. Great Olympics etoso edu 23 points. Samates abetoso duba kon omnonso ewo 23 points. Enso Atraman etoso dumienu 23 points. Brekum Chelsea atiaba from 13 position. Ehona na Dreams da Oma Baba Shomanai, Omo 22 points. Kerala United, Abatoso 14, 22. Legon Cities, Eda 15, Ewa 21 points. Relegation zone, Eye Kimfesa 16 position, 20 points. Tamale City 17th. Otoso Okita 16 points. And Afe Kotoku Royals, Eda 18th, Ewa 10 points. And so our league table no, and so as no Ghana Premier League, home and Kakra Division 1 and Women's League nedia and upon ya buboni na so edema ya reaction se kakra and so our games ahoroa ya no so tumi to guano emo bechem any Aduana Stars and the boy ni na game never we no coach Kasim Mengo ekasa ye draw 0-0 edifa game and so to fam e wo bechem no
very competitive, but we were on top. And I'm disappointed in my boys. We have taken the numerous of chances. We have taken our chances. No matter how the officiating went, if we have taken our chances, we could have buried the game. Do both first half and second half. We had chances that were easier to miss than to score. We couldn't score. I'm very disappointed.
And somehow coach Kasim Mengo one also there to go head coach at the Yama Bechem United the Bobo Kono. Now your Aduana Stars are catch assistant coach coach W.O. Tando and also Ekasa the for drawer Omukunya will be no and so on.
I think both teams are contenders of the league, and therefore if you watched tactically we came with a plan, and so we saw our opponents who playing a similar tactics. They lied third and we are leading now. So whatever you want to do to pass your brother is what we do. But I will say that our team played to the tactics that we brought. What we brought here has yielded the results. So happy because we know that nobody will pass us for now. From tomorrow, matches that will come on, nobody is going to pass us. So we are comfortable to finish as league leaders.
Way assistant coach at the Yama Aduana Stars Bobo Kono, coach W.O. Tando. And I will tell you, Branton, they are the Justice, Tochuche, and a man of the match. I will game the NCMO. On who see a kind of man, Aduana Stars, on also adding in some Kakra, Eddie Jayen.
Thank you very much for this opportunity. It's a very great and tough match. You know, in the league, as you can see, Bechem United is a very tough side and a very tactical team. And if you watch their previous matches, it's not easy to come here and come and pick a point. You know, they are very good side and with very disciplined and very technical players also. And playing against them, our mindset was to come and pick a point. So we were to soak their pressure and then pick up a counter. But unfortunately, we couldn't utilize our chances. So
we also Branton in the Justice yet to change or no a player at the Mabobo and the Diana and I would say on also then somebody too. Yeah, but the wa. Kotoko Belusu ya 2-0 Edema Dreams FC. Head coach no and so you say to Zebo. On also Kasa ya say, oh Dreams, ball omo boy ya omo deserve that 3 points nina.
Aujourd'hui, il y a eu trop de défaillances individuelles sur le plan défensif et sur le plan offensif. Défaillances individuelles sur le plan offensif et sur le plan défensif.
Today there's individual differences. Offensively and defensively, that's where we got the defeat. So the home team played very, very well. They deserved the win, and we have about 7 players that are absent, and we have to accept that they play better than us.
Way and sama ko say do Zebo on also dey to go after say game never we and on also training say mo na Dreams FC head coach Karim Zito or double set technical director Edema Dreams FC Bobo Kono before the game o ka say Kotoko obe show ɛwɔ dew ampani ampa so wɔhyɛ wɔn ɛboro wɔn funfunam na game na ɛbɛwie no Karim Zito sɛ hwɛ wɔhyɛ reduce of numbers ɛfa mu defeat against Kotoko na ɛwɔ so mutumi ɛte so ɛsan sɛ ɔmo tena dew ɛhyia Kotoko biara na Kotoko ɛso etumi ɛbɛhyɛ wɔn ɛde points ɛde kɔ enti na ɛndra deɛ Oma ya se ombe reduce that defeat no. And then I'm so emo mutumi di inkonim over Asante Kotoko.
When you look at the previous matches we played, the lineup of the matches is not easy. Playing a Chelsea, coming back to play Diana, going to play Olympics and Kotoko. So it wasn't easy for me. So I have to work seriously with the boys in order to break that jinx between. You see, I'm trying to reduce the number of defeat I've received from Kotoko. So it is 6-3. You understand me? Previously it was 6-4. Now it's 6-3. And I'm happy all the three was being managed by me to get that 3. So we work and I told the boys, there's no way, there's no excuse from us if we don't win this match. So I wanted to enter into the field with a positive attitude. And that works to perfection.
Where your coach Karim Zito, name 3 now, or 6-3 no. Where your second time a dreams a winnie over Kotoko, ewa deuha, omasha Kotoko, mpemi nupe, ewa deuha, enti bakona omasi a winnie G8B. Eno mushia Kotoko, eno mo share Kotoko 4, eno mo de kwaje ye no. Eno any 3 a etoso a omo de win Kotoko nti eba no league game say omo miti ewo de ha pa de empemienu a dreams ache Kotoko. Enso ahye no eno no coach na de ho nsem ade atugwa. Na odi wani ache mu nsem fu from man of the match na call them Abrante and the Augustus Asante Augustine Asante na ono so de nkoma wuro de tugwa say de ni ajepa say nkunim na koye e de ma dreams as boboko no na wo hwe o bo against Kotoko pa de eya nioma wura mu na mom ni na mu no say nkunim na ba ono so de ne nsem atugwa.
I'm so much excited. And first of all, I give thanks to the Most High God for giving us this victory because it was a very important victory. Secondly, I'll give thanks to my technical team for giving me the platform to do what I did. It was just by grace. I'm so much excited. Beating Kotoko here, for me, this is my first time, so I'm so much overexcited. Like I said, I have a long way to go, and then my focus is, before the league was being started, I told myself, last season I considered too much. So coming this season, I need to keep a lot of clean sheets. And then by the grace of God, it's happening.
And no answer your guesting, your Kumsen, or no your goalkeeper, Edma Bobo Kwani the Dreams FC, and our Teno, and Kana Young Consent Full from Mudia, Brekum Chelsea, Tim Nakache, and you do Christopher Ennin, or no answer your coach, Edma Brekum Chelsea Bobo, Kodom Kodi and Cho. I will have to focus on Sano, our cross posted them after the game. Coach Christopher Ennin, then come on and Sweeney.
They really had a good game today. Yeah, but I don't know what is really happening. I don't know if it's about fatigue or something. I don't know because our game plan changed, but we're able to hold them up to the 20th minute before we concede. So it's something that I have to check what is really happening. Yeah.
And no, Brekum Chelsea head coach Slavko Matic, and also your coach Adema Bobo Kwani the Accra Hatofok, and also Kasaya say Hatofok dominate play no, and then I'm so Musu to me di enkonim.
We dominate 90 minutes. Even the first half we didn't score goal. I tell to the players just few changes. If we make, we'll score 3 goals. Thanks God we scored 3. I think the best team, the better team won today. We deserve this win. We dominate with the ball. We create a lot of opportunities, a lot of shoots. I say chances, and on the end we win.
Slavko Matic no kasa say etano. Ena hotel in Kano say almost dominating play no. Na owie kura no say how to folk supporters no. Or you disappointed. Ewo team ni mu pa supporters no. Or you disappointed wo mu. Has it din chua. Omo be kasa bebre. Has it din kunimu ape. And they no many aje. No mo kasa. Nemo has team nu nyanko din chope. No mo kasa di team no. Or you disappointed. Ewo play supporters name. Has it din chuo. Omo din kunimu. Also mo supporter. Also we hear supporters and your fans.
And our fans, they must watch
what means support from tribunes, not only when you win. Why this negative energy from beginning? All matches, because that we don't play here good. I'm very disappointed with our fans. Very disappointed. You're disappointed? Very. We need supporters, somebody who will support 90 minutes team. Not only when we celebration. It's very easy to celebrate. But when we struggle, when we fight, somebody need to support these guys. I hope next time we'll have more supporters.
Slavko Matic and Awateno and Kano Abranten then Joseph Eric Eso. Eric Eso, one of the man of the match. I will game name on also HRS and Niaje. Oye game na no yet them, but in Kunimno, Aquadiama had to folk Bobokono.
I fought hard. That brought this victory to us. Yeah. Oh, I'm sure how we are playing the first half. I'm sure definitely when we come in the second half, I'm sure we are going to win the game. Yeah. It's what it is. It's a good. Good side. I respect them. I more respect more for us.
And where Eric Son out and can Mami Kra and so I was set need that on your communication member. Edema Kumasa Santoko game nom on also Sunday no what do. Now game never any Nigerian and Jenny in the team commerce and need that Kumalusu no who game no. And so as I was say yes, we have players now baby now injury. I will defense war. Ball like dreams boy no so ball deserve it. Referees no so do baby no decision be take here. Ekunti ya kotokote mu no ni nyina ni da ko kambo mo eden sama horo de to yenim.
A good game. The boys didn't play badly at all. Just that we couldn't meet our expectations, you know. And said anje ye kwa not pick a point here, but losing the game in association football is part of the game, and I think they accepted the defeat. Dream FC worked for those 2 goals and they got it.
And no, I said, need that one out and cano, you know, you be signing some Muhammad Al Hassan, Waba, the inclusion to a Santa Coco defense, not to say or say, a idea bebo Timonopa.
Such mistakes will not be made. Now, second round, the very bright. Very, very bright. We are defending, and we are going to defend it. Okay.
Wey said need that coin na water no and cancer within some huro e dey to gba e be jira sam no so na afisam no ye dey say na majemo e dey ama eke.
All right, and you know afisam and a solo paradise and stone dia paraminka say no upesika dia gubo ma boys in munti boys girls munti we know star 787 ash and I make come for Eddie Ama Mizene Lotu Kios Yina a chum Ajaze you go Jina Lotu Kios on Gogazi Majo I'm banker now good you know go Lutu agenta Ugo you Usika away Intenino star 787 ash and I make come for Eddie Ama Nians our phone say 100 say maybe ofa no about star 787 ash Ubovia second option no they say we uremo penalty choose option 1. Option 1 and say and you know unso no obeto ticket start ya say auto ticket amount and adudo bi apesa oto no na wato na do momo pin no etua utua wie pe raffle no dem ya bo raffle no na onya akonya na otie ya any 10,000 Ghana cedis and so be di e de agu botom eno e ya no pa bia early bird no that ya early bird at ya so no banana ma to hwere magu say hey uzika wa ha obeji uzika wa obeji ede zinya no star 787 ash and I make come for and so no Eddie Mouse sound so na edu meme da and so no enwumere no ye bo wura mo jackpot no enra me boys and say o matra 10,000 o mo ko jackpot no meme da and so no ubo wura mo raffle no na otoa otiri ya 700,000 Ghana cedis ye bo wura ko bia o say na ba na 690 is in paying for pejam I got 790 almost say is your man Muniama Cosoro and ideas can see tum they need 700,000 Ghana cedis and also jackpot will be D Nina star 787 ash star 787 ash now Amanfo follow come page in some status now they say winners no the weekend winners need be me the gua just Amanfo did 10,000 Amanfo did 5,000 Amanfo did 2,000 yeah there obo ma yes ni je na ba nesa it's a Val's day a chena odo adofo no APS krum to ade de acho adofo no e ma no so mfa mu njem mo surprise mu kunu no mo surprise me ma no asofo ni nya de omu agima mo sofo no afa ne phone aso preachi aso you quotation obua Wabo star 787 hash. Star 787 hash. Obedu fie no buburu ya. Mabo for you. Man say na say as of one gambling you for one. Debi. Oh no nya star 787 hash. Okọ na nim 10,000 kwesi adọ pa. Waje okọ fie nya na say star 787 hash. Amanu sika e de gunu botu. So members no mfa mu nyim na mo mabo for there na mo testimony akese mo medi e wa so dem. Star 787 hash. And I mean so make come for Eddie Ama open chichi will be a friend 0559 689 948 0559 689 948 and our WhatsApp on air 0272 636 448 0272 636 448 now feel so physical efegu botom yemerin komo on is the Black Stars of Ghana and you coach Chris Hutton and so you to me our point since the head coach the senior national team no and also ayan koma Basansuna Ghana Premier League enra matches na weekend matches to dwano onso do agyenche enso no area ba mekwa beja for na maybe some on agyenche enso no Ghana Premier League na afin so no coach Chris Hutton me shall say the fi club ya sante wo onremu enso no emfa emame Ghana Premier League coach Chris Hutton club ya mama osima be enso coach Hutton there no crowd this last hour we were trying to to so if you want to Premier League games now.
Oh, okay. Yentia Etiefobio, a very good morning, by confirmer Obibia and Premier League, you know, match day 17, and this is the week, the prepara first round of the league, you know, and so I saw it. And one thing in general is a very eventful and insightful half season so far from say started the season 2022-23 no I think say a very good games I would to me I share unlike compared to other seasons been when you come to fans no attendance in your I think say no ne adeba a negative power in this particular league anymore compared to even just last season and me who a season I remember share our Ghana Premier League since yedeme bas so match day attendance so poor as compared to this particular term. So this half of the season adeba anko ye kra no supporters and as a football loving fans trooping to the various stadia share games I think say patronage fm cry very low in terms of attendance and so in various stadia and only at the back one maybe said this particular time maybe going into the second round of the season you bet to me and sakrai kakra and so to me at the baba for now and only at the back one in the first round of the game one and as a season I the abaniwe and then at the back one anko ye cry and so yen league no. Secondly, Nyoma adia etosu mienu a me matenase ahye first round of the league negatives a me address they are enye kra no yen officiating is so porous to extend that yenya match officials are week in week out biano ye punish wo na say instead of say yabo games we are ye be discussing some individual qualities how our players any a team to me a boy as against one opponent the story no na assistant but rather focus no nyina ekokoye match day officials talking of central referees any other men a one complete a good year nisan kebe to me akonkan so enoni ade ba ko a anko ye kura in this particular first round of the league Nyoma ba etosu mienu a anko ye kura no officiating na a very bad in various stadia every single club and as a team or participating all the 18 clubs have had their share in bad decisions some of our referees one more take both in a way you feel say human error one more to me any others in quote say some are deliberate and so so I think say no de back one and also into me and conquer and so I'm from my league so far as a first round of the league and so a concern okay and you might be koye kakran I think say into me nka bonen so these are the two major negatives to me also in the first round of the league and going into the second round of the league starting this early weekend I think say ye behwe say ye betumi nya changes kakra enso ewo mu. In the other positives, I think say your boy season na ye ni proud sponsor and as a sponsorship sponsors bia our league ni so na ye Ghana Premier League Ghana ye bo now ye nya Bet Power Premier League. So league, you know, before I ever started the 2022-23, you know, you nya sponsorship one more bar, one more every single club $25,000 at the end of the season as one more sponsorship deal from Bet Power. Into I think say I know yeah Adebakwa and also Ket administration, you know, and I say yeah go into the league, you know, one more make sure say the year last season, you know, this particular time, you know, one more the beba into the league, one more the beba clubs, you know, now one more so no one more expenses expenditure hun new mano etumi akate cost kakre dia my and tips you. So I think say also yeah another thing one more so etumi Eddie boy. Then again, anka wo remu this particular season Adebakwa and also me who kra hooliganism in our various areas and as a match centers kono this time round nyoma bia en that popping by seriously say fancy bia kwa akɔbɔ bi na nsia na yenya uremu wɔ enyinase a na ba ku bi ba hono mo kotoko any Karela game no and I think say na nya DBI too serious. So even the opposing team of which I feel said they were attacked by the home team no krano ain't taking the matter serious. And on nature say it was a minus thing to me happen dear nature say serious be so into also Adebakwa to me by then I think say Karela Kruya also one of the teams called Brekum. And also certain controversies near there and also minor and so and also Adebakwa one more to me make sure say security wise, you know, one more ebe protected. Then few fans and as supporters are one more ekoko PMO the various centers and so no to me abo home and so this time round to me the protected league, you know, image in terms of painting the league black in other aspect and can't football hono. I think that this time round one more to me share as of and also hono kakra to me edi aboa. Now individual players, I think say individual players who come every league biano your boy some of the players, you know, one more attitude in your maybe one more show no and Sheda and Konkai last season you a few of them and so our honomo Emmanuel Johnfi was in the picture and this particular time and also it's answer about picture and him say players, you know, one more personal attitude be a one more issue on sporting one more so no but I think say no so yen most of Nyoma Wamuye Nina deliberately no a branch friend Emmanuel James Pena or yeah dear ye who say it was deliberate from a branch and he said or ye BB a day a provoke and I said the opponent players, you know. I think said that no aside, you know, you share dance in BBR from individual players and so or the various teams, you know. So in all, you a very good first half and as a first round of the season, and I think that is something I was commend the organization, you know, and the clubs now one more involved in the league, you know, say one more put up a very respectable shape in the league. Bibiansu to me a concan. I think that is that Uba Pimu. There were some of the teams now. Uba Tima so far first round on a more than more concan pie wufia. I think say in Suateremine. One more point now when 90% almost. One more pekeno from Suatere Krumu or nature say one more modern ball home no to me can ye part this particular season. And so Eddie Amawama one more talk also in the second round of the season. I won't go to me in a respectable position in the league now to me Abuama one more to me stay for another season. Now much how you know my to me my team no has so folk for 2 seasons and akotoko at so in terms of away performance the 2020-21 season best away team was Krobias and Tekotoko. 2021-22 it was Krobias and Tekotoko. Eventually they were champions last season, and this particular time in the first round second season in the first round it has happened to be glorious impressive Accra House who they've been impressive so far as away games, and so air concern. And when your team bono most of the time up more points away than home. say or strike it na ne modern bono o pejemu kakra enso edeba ne home performance na it tells you say potentially that particular team no is standing favorite so be to me a winning league, you know. So their performance has to focus in terms of accumulating away points and I say amassing away points, you know, one more to me in this first round of the season, you know. In 17 games na yenge to me abono. One more 8 and I say 8 away games I want to me abo one more picking most points, you know. I think say in the second half, see performance I want more than they do away. One more Eddie Bevremu one more home venues, that is Accra Sports Stadium. I think say eventually one more be to me go ahead to me akwa ko win league, you know, because nya dia most of the times boa team bia or pick away points no more, but to be PM of ya ne nyoma you will struggle to win the league. So boa na one more the performance in the Bevremu Matic eba no ye juma ne modern bono e konkan both from away any home ni nyina, but home no any ade as say was say one more insight players no and country players ni say aha ana ye fie. So I don't know nyoma e community a emma woman to mean picking more points and so e will home maybe e betumi aye fans na wo mo attend at the match day venue no woman to mean kono and also e betumi aye another factor and so e dey ama players no. So in the second round we expecting more from Hasselfolk e wo home venue any more from Insua 3 a wo so abo wo modern e wo fie no so wo benya points ni bi nso no and so e wa away no so etumi abo wo season no. So I think say yenya a very fantastic season, first round of the season, and so I will bet Power Premier League anymore.
All right. And you know, Krobia, and so at the Ghana Premier League anymore. Facebook Starboy say watching the show live and clear at Fumim Airport. AK more fire. Good. Congratulations to FC Barcelona for their victory yesterday. Greetings to Yasma Uyibo Boatin Taxis Man and my father. No joke. On also Nadia. Watching media about Kofi Ajima Blackman. I say good morning. Watching you inside Pick Farm. And so no our car the message on also no etimi area ba and so I don't know. Yama so our Zimia Remo Enra now stadium Ghana Premier League who share dreams and name Koroko game anymore. What assessment on the game?
Oh, but that's it. I'm saying now so sena also honum. And I know my share Kotoko dreams match with the woo in previous seasons. Na no match na in fact I enjoyed myself because Dreams a bobo and they lifted their game up, and right from the blast of the whistle, no, they made their intentions very clear. Say, look, we are here to break that jinx. They be more share, and then they made it clear. They conquered the midfield, all aspects of the game. Their keeper was on points, excellent goalkeeping. No wonder Posel Mano, the man of the match, that's the MVP, and you could see say they meant business. Kotoko was coming as him say, oh, Kotoko about the who, it's the who had a buy a budget 3 points. It's a bag on the buy and to buy and can start here and you're a bit lethargic. I'm considering this free kick from nowhere, and I'm considering our first goal. And from that time, no, the midfielders of dreams, I don't know, but I'm not sure 20, no. What's the name?
Simba Sylvester. Yeah, left-footed player.
Oh, yeah, solid boy. Yeah. Oh, Ghanaian. Wow.
Black Galaxy score COVID.
Wow. Oh yeah, solid midfielder. He look of Jimmy Ford no, and all the sweetie passes no. Where do Agadas now about too hard? Why you too aggressive? Person who say
as I so bully the midfield.
Yeah, person who say no. Or senior or midfield can combat. Anyway, he's a good player. Yeah. Where do they? Any team would want to have that ball in the midfield because no best balls in Namao. And yesterday that was what he was doing. But Simba Mokano, that guy, he's a gem, a very very good player. And Rano on a winning day in my Dreams FC. Rashid Notti wasn't bad. On no position of he played to his way perfection. I'm more criticism chances be cramp my ball back ball back. But also boy and so keep an if he was excellent. But Edu baby no, they were running away from the midfield and they were all going to the flanks. I got to comment for this because now Dreams midfielders boys too no. Aji midfield nafa.
Collins Boy and McCarthy.
Very good. Omaji midfield nafa. And see no, when Rashid Mono, they were now moving to the flanks. Now making the work of way very difficult for him. Guy if anything. Morrison
was
he didn't even know where to stand because baby so you know not the mobile no move about in general he was missing in the game and then there were so many mistakes from Apao. So many mistakes. The defense of Kotoko was shambolic because there were about 3 or 4 chances we had in the first half. Loose balls, we keep on jana obi no attack ball. Dreams for some wasted chances.
Yesterday was Abrante Michel Sapon. Chances are not great here.
Yesterday was a day anchor. All things being equal, Dreams man commit match Kotoko 5. All those who were present at the stadium will bear witness. Say they had a chance, they created chances, and they were a spectacular chance on Munya ya or Montimian converting. If those chances fell to Kotoko and Cameroon equalizing, but Dreams wasted so much chances. But look, kudos to the boys, kudos to Kozito. That guy, Zito, the Papa Zito. He has his own way of doing things. Osha previous matches now, show now. No. He was acting as a technical director, not our back room. He didn't have so much to say with their matches. But now he is the chief. He's a coach. He's a TD as well, and he controls our affairs. And in fact, Dreams yesterday, they played very, very well. Now, although we need 3 points, Osha League table now, still they are down there. They still need to work harder. I always say, on subsequent matches on the ball, they will play like they played yesterday. Because yesterday, they were able to bench that small boy Aziz.
Yeah.
It shows they came in with a purpose. Yeah, me dia grow because on the born dia grow na ibia why nyama. But no, they came in all out, and I don't know. Lord Martin we proud.
Yeah.
Or keep we proud.
Yeah, Lord Martin.
Yes, but the replacement was also very good because
the bench. Solomon Agbesi bench. Yes, and he's also another fantastic
keeper. Yeah. It's Kumsino, is it Kumsin?
Yeah, Kumsin.
Yeah, Kumsino. And Rano, he's doing very well for Mate. And you could see, say, he also wants to take a place because, let me say,
I think the first spot to Ukraine or Yenya because in their last, I don't remember the last time I bench, Yes. This is on our keep even in the FA Cup on our keep people.
The last season because he was making a lot of mistakes.
Yes,
at the beginning of the last season he was making a lot of mistakes and they were conceding some goals. We are now doing one on TS here. Anything Agbesini be take you over. But this season wow. Enra. In fact, I'll mark him 8/10 or 9/10. He was solid. And random, my disappointment, I'll say again, was with the Kotoko defense. Right from the right back to the left back. Right back, when Timimpo attack, he couldn't even move forward to go and.
Because in the first half, I guess in Japan, I mean, in the first half, totally out of the game. Because last minutes of the game, and I probably Lamte buy and there's a buy to me movie corner. But in the first half, I didn't see Augustine.
And one time, I said, Kotoko players and say, Omoye Alechon. I say in both too much. That was all Zeze by Zeze or Zeze. How's the pronunciation? Zeze. Also by obey some facilities. I say more on looking passes be not passing that baby now. I saw Tabon over here. We say no. Look, you are down by 2 goals. Be purposeful. When you born now, feed the attackers to the ball. But when you born now, if you know catch maybe Lamte the name Sena the ball but here on no skillful with the left and on no shorty players. And he made so much impact. Just say it wasn't their day. Kudos to Dreams FC. They were spectacular yesterday.
All right, kudos to Dreams FC. Senra and Kunimidi Echo and Sono Ade Emma Mo 0551 667755 0551 667755. What numbers many are to be.
Enra ya call de no. You support us about pack. I say I'm coaching matches with the but Enra there. Yes, he talk about Abadewu. And the park was full to capacity. Dreams FC omunya crowd say that. And then radio me say raking some money, cash with that. Place you to come every week. This week get to say yes, and the wolf for a crowd for Kumasi for wow. The atmosphere was so nice, and I always say, almost how much in I just love the atmosphere.
Wow. Entino Fabra 0551 667755 0551 667755 and 0270 191971 0270 191971 0205 818748 0205 818748 0551 667755 0551 667755 and 0270 191971 and all free for WhatsApp on so Before now wabem 0205 818748 afre one fra nyum be share mo studio meka tem DDB ngum asumana bisa kro be ebe na iki somo fra kan wa adwin kan wa how nya fi na obi share mo studio obi iki wo ni ayi na simasi ayi se kan wa how efi no tie solo amitio
okay that's it. Becho United that try fear ball goalless against Ediana Stars. Before this game, na Ediana on the record on a year Becho then shut down in favor no, and a derby game also. So make us a result no the Ediana Stars a wow dance on be lose 3 points no, and Omanya the Aquacom points or more. First round he almost lead the table no with 32 points. Yambo coach Park was Fabian and then the mountain about so mo call Bichim Ekunya at that point no at the Comodiano. How to folk 3-1 against Brekum Chelsea. Chelsea a year Jumano coach Enin and then the mountain first half it me hold the how to folk team no about goalless. Second half a buy almost and hold you to best 70th minute. And son of that won't go nearby. And then on the shots here, say has goes no, by their mom. Coach Slavko Matic, the substitution our year, you know, and it to me a boy, club and the idea how to folk. We go over players, the free bench and the buy. Na a dream on mobile na, because of me a super sub, and my to folk team no. Victor Edu. Then dry in the first game one. Now wobble under Matic. Obaye no, make a Saturday no, Obaye no. Obenya go, Edema how to folk team no. And which no, Benjamin York this season on any leading scorer at the Emma how to folk bobo no. Go a weekend when you can when you 4 goals, Edema how to folk. On also free bench, Ebenya that go no, Edema has club no. There be any I can say has problem am attacking no okwara mo fa so attack the against some opponent no empempi ni nyoma nko ya Isaac Mensah Kwajo Obin Junior so 2 players way and there be only leading lines no the yama how to folk by modimono fam and empempi no has bebo ball ni nyina but okwara go ni be fa so aba no and then ade ba kwa na aka no mun to me and she goes finishing them na ye into ugbo say summit for this na nche anase defender nche always caliber mankwa no aba be she ba kubi e dem how to folk so man nche attackers need to me she go and Victor Edu eba benya ni go from bench Benjamin York I returning from injury aba e benya ni go also from bench which say Kwajo Obin Junior and Abranta and the Isaac Mensah were Jumaye. Ewa has a team name. So mu benye bioma ba because near Victor Edu and Benjamin York ebe ye kakra and the Yama has in that victory no. Se coach bia say obebo player bi ewa how to folk anymore. Either Benjamin York, Victor Edu and obebo ahead of Kwajo Obin Junior and Abranta and the Isaac Mensah. Mo performance at the man how to folk no. This season ewa fam nyoma nko yie enfem omo e no man hihwo mu nyoma yie a ebe den e dia mo se ombenya bi ma bo Slavko Matic eba has onya na starting 11 enti e bia no na ebe ka se ebe se ama na sesa nyoma mu ba me de minya ya omo Victor Edu anasa Benjamin York omu bi e we ni mu ho fem how to folk no metumi aye adwuma no e na ma has boboko no afa players a free chance ne ba ebe share has team no so boy ye hu glass na wako ye hu Abrante and dey de Seydou Suraj on also the performance at the how to focus free bench bemu Dennis Kosa on also your assist at the how to focus that game name and I feel kuna do yadom on also be a ne modern modern share down call sort of party but Saturday no na ne modern modern the how to focus na yara and omu na ba no omu to me boy ma how to focus modern modern et me page the call kind so coach Slavko Matters aba benya sa team no e wo honom akasa obehye team no wo ho from defense to Medford dey wo ho anim ho no and only ade ba ko a academy how to focus and sir has CC almost strikers na so mo sha say so mo she goals in dem how to focus has wo team second round way e be den edema club will be obesha how to focus say obetumi atwe dey afa house so has strikers na sha say so mo she goals o he ball o mo boy against Brekum Chelsea yes omo performance na nko soro o man sha that man has game to say the Accra Lions score ball Baba Yara o man sha that man kotoko game no but had to focus so dominate 50 first half eba second half nyina has ball no na ka okwan go ni beba to say oye changes e ma sa go na so to me eba nti say omu sie so mo attackers na how to focus performance na betumi akosoro Kumasi Asante Kotoko any dreams game no Kotoko eba game we mu no honestly speaking omo for dreams for no for omo underrated dreams FC Boboko no e she Kotoko team na e she ma adwen mu na say pitch we ya pitch ye nya results wo ho pitch we dey ya ba bia venue we no ya ba ye fa good results e de ko enti ena ya bay Dreams FC be shawom and wa hwehwe Dreams FC na mo so more performance no e was season no en she down ko ye especially we home grounds home game boy against before bebo Kotoko no was against Ediana Stars and performance boy ye di Ediana Stars no na ye ko enti Akofo ni jire ni nyina so the bag game ni mo say ni akwa ye de ye ko da wi asa akwa fa ni so ya san de akọ eno ani ade na ewo mutirim but coach Karim Zito e kire say we determine ni awode na no kan say obehye Kotoko e we dawu no enye kwa eye players miensa na sesa Dreams FC game no Dreams against Ediana Stars Michel Sapon na no ya the first game about the Dreams FC wan hu so but endra game about the tia Kotoko no Michel Sapon ye super my Dreams Endra Simba super Medford the my Dreams FC and Collins Boa the performance of the my Dreams Endra and yet no the man against Ediana Stars so some three players way and assistant game ni nyinemu Ediana Dreams FC to me performance goalkeeper Kumsen yes Augustine Kumsen so more the money na was so Ediana club and the Dreams FC Kotoko if it defense e could do attack no she anko yi anfa mom and this season Kotoko engine na your Medford Kotoko be perform so obeko nanim obumbe she goals a e Medforders no e na ye adwuma no e de ma attackers no na obo she e na wo show Kotoko this time goals omo sha uyi Steve Mukwala free ho ni 8 goals awasha Midfielders no so show goals Rashid no te obenya no ahye ba ko mienu bi no dey fam obo say Richmond Lamte don wo shebi no dey fam no dey call Enokumare no shebi no mu ko manim sa players no na mu kita Kotoko team no patendra hwe ni ho a etumi eko yie edema players we and Dreams FC dominating Bedford no esanso hold do attackers no and so ewo field defense one so more Dreams about so Kotoko problem with defense after the game in Penyufo ahura ye ni omude nkomo na omu na agitum some more problem with defense because so who you about the Collins Andrew Sapau and air ball central defense always no be concede de bia ye be show opponent bia be shen bi obeshow it as Andrew Sapau abo a steady players by players or Kotoko team them, but still now the performance at the team no, and yet and today be of course a mistake at the club no, and there be also some consider. Tikoko he has some CSC up. Yusuf Mubarak this is the shade who ni or co injury or no crowd there season no cry yes yamano because or qua surgery. Into no bed in so best but we have more Sheriff Mohammed any more Hassan says our 2 players where a partner or more no more so a bomb hotel go to me now a bit me afa and a man to go and selection back one coach in the wrong and say or the Andrew Sample boy and maybe ya na nko sa Sheriff Mohammed foni mienu e wa chiro onom na fe Medford no onfa Amanta in Morris Lamte Emran Beka ho e wa Medford wa anasa Zaza Emran Beka ho and Zaza no e player wo no ball no ball ya ne de and say yes show na wo kwa Zaza ba Zaza Emran meye bibi ma monteka unya ono ne de anisa mejibo no me dane me ho bibi kakra na me ma pass no eno ne ade a wo ye ball no ye the more since obeje bo a obeje mu ntam ti Andrea ne ma nko yi amfa ma kotoko Dreams FC na mo de money was so say almost mo bobo say ne Andrea mo ball ne sa Dreams performance na betumi apeja but me Dreams FC me nji omo ndi because always season bi mu no on ba yiro mo ho agba ba ye be wie season no middle table ho na omo da omo yo ma so omo top for omo ba be wuram omo so relegation omo nko omo so omo yes league omo ba beje na emom ye de ye mo ni enkam e wa league ma no ani ade Dreams ehwe so enti omo de ene obebo ochina enkoyie the following game obebo the following game enkoyie ba ye be wie season no she mfimfim wo kusu oni obi eni asam ti omo de say o pre abada ni mo top for de no de once a while etumi esi ebi abako pe na ebe si de ama Dreams FC ba say omo de si omo ni so say no na omo hwe de eno de ya de a eko enso ho.
All right, I know Pastor Paradise anche yebe course ma miensa na yakọ na meka say ne no star 787 and American for Ediama star 787 mere ma now so apesika edi egu botom o akwenya se de bia no obedi 10,000 Ghana cedis enso no edi egu botom ni yansa wa fa phone no abo star 787 star 787 we can yi unse sulugu so no ene de wa fe na wa chance ye ene de wa chance ye obo star 787 na just say opia ko nenim na obo wi na wa choose option 1 no ebe ma o choose wi an yes ni ticket dodo a pese auto for raffle no na so ato odo momo na account no ato utoguma raffle no ye kegum uti ya anope bia 10,000 Ghana cedis osu udi ede gubo to enka ne sika dada 100 million obaji ede akọ anope bia sanso na edu memenda anwumere nso jackpot no ene ya pejam every 690 equal 700,000 Ghana cedis jackpot anoso uti ya boma ko da me bomu no maka bomu dia emze solombo hu na cha akra hit jackpot ne emze bomu na cha akra juma ne be no from afar and they anoso ano ni nyina no star 787 and American for them and asofo nyina de omo agim sofo maame no dampem no tunukunu sofo ofo se yura o ma yam star 787 ibi wonso sofo maame boy a se samanka ye dem kwesi ada sofo ye late kura na bia ni okwa akoka wa ma so da me preach kura obia ni oba beka izane se afore na nka ba beje na nyewa nya no moroso e star 787 aso ye enjine ne nyame asem no opa orbe WhatsApp mo WhatsApp group so na wafane sa de nyina star 787 adtomfo nova munjim eduar muntrem business biem ubiem dia esika ni ya star 787 and American for dem Lisa enu am cheche wenu so nimsa no pe waka egum ti Lisa wa ko siansa na enu am cheche mu na no pe waka egum a na se otwen se ne no ebo 2 pm no yebo kan rafo na tum no na se ni 10,000 Ghana cedi no ono so nya ede gun bote na nka se obe fa no ho echena pa enye ize nti anonso eno open cheche mu afre 0559 689 948 0559 689 948 and our WhatsApp no 0272 636 448 0272 636 448 now bo on social media na say we so hashtag AK #AK na say they akwa nim na say ni star 787 national and say they pisika e dey gu yebutum you me boom jackpot you say me target na jackpot boom a e jam wachi na yesem kruma no mafam kru na say no 700,000 Ghana cedis me jam kru ama ho anya obi ti be bizi ani ju ja ekru me ja wanya nka wo ja kru na ma enti anu so no ye be ko na ncheprem to be ka se bona ba ye kwei ko bia be ti obi na enko.
Oh, okay. Minchia KJ Trend fashion designers, no. Minchia omopa very fantastic. Yura afternoon with the confirm our mona be bien kama. Ebia ne and dry ya but men to men do and dry but week Friday ne day ye be many Ike offset we be but na KJ nim hoshi. No ni moshi but many offset we and the John so there and the John there visabria kopem yawa say unsa eza putting more effort to edwuma nim Friday no abesresra na fi wat ya tonti no sisi an ye edwuma
solo ti obi ne enko
aminchi akosu ansa no aminchi akosu ansa no ne na ma no ewie mi mom good afternoon pa madam oye heavy Tima Michiano, who's with you, Coco, yeah. So, Chia Michiano, Michiano, Nama Michia, no fast Abubuya answer. I'm afraid you or paid in the Abubuya.
Okay. Anthony, DC, Neako, happy birthday and confirm Mamiata, and your birthday. It's happy birthday and farmer Mamiata. You'll see now, Prem to be a Casabona, but Mary Yami Jawadino, AK. Uchum.